Welcome to this review of the Pocket Arrow from Pocket Shot. This is a really unique takedown arrow. Comes in this tube. You get 3 arrows in this kit. They've already got field tips on them, and they are separated in the middle with a threaded joint. These are real carbon fiber shafts, and they pack down really small. You can use broadheads on these. You can use blunt tips on them for small game. Any arrow tip that you want, you can put on here without a problem. But what's nice about this is they do collapse down to a really compact size. I'm going to put this set of arrows down so that I might be able to demo this for you. I have a Pocket Shot here outfitted with a red regular arrow power source on my hammer handle. So I'm going to grab a hold of this, put my wrist through it. We're going to take our arrow, put it right back in the brush guide on the front, and we're going to draw this back and take a shot on our archery target. We're going to shoot the boar. This is a capable tool for propelling an arrow accurately. It's going to take you some practice. It's going to take some getting used to. I wouldn't fully expect to take a step from traditional archery or crossbows or compound bows and expect to be really good with this out of the box. It's going to take some learning. It's going to take some practice. But man, what a great kit that is super compact. Fold this up, shove it in your pocket or your bag, and a couple of arrows in there too. You've got a really portable archery kit. So bravo to the boys at Pocket Shot for coming up with a great takedown arrow designed specifically to work with the Pocket Shot platform. Way to go, guys. You have a great day. Thanks for watching.